How to fix Epson printer filter failed error on Mac OS. 4 quick solutions. Method 1. Reinstall printer driver on the Mac system. Step 1. Switch off the printer and open the System Preferences option on Mac. Step 2. Select the Print and Fax option and then choose your printer. Step 3. Now, locate the minus sign below the printer's column and click on it. Step 4. On the pop-up window, click on Delete Printer to remove the printer from the list. Step 5. Click on the cross sign to quit the Print and Fax window from the screen. Step 6. Now navigate to Hard Drive, go to Library greater than Printer and delete Epson folder. Step 7. Go back to Hard Drive, then follow Library Printer PPD Contents Resources, then remove your printer from the list. Step 8. Again, visit the Library section and then move on to the Cache folder. Step 9. Delete the folder of the Epson printer and close all running windows. Step 10. Reboot the Mac system, turn on the printer and visit the Epson official site. Step 11. Find your printer model, and download its suitable driver on Mac. Step 12. Install the driver on the system and try to give the print command. Step 13. Check whether the failed filter printer issue has been resolved or not. Method 2. Update drivers to resolve printer issue. Step 1. From the Application menu of the Mac system, open the Epson software folder. Step 2. Go to https://epson.com/support/washington00590 and get the Epson software updater. Step 3. After downloading the Epson updater, select the Epson firmware update option. Step 4. Check mark on the Epson firmware box, hit Install, and select Agree to continue. Step 5. Enter the login details if asked and run the app by double-clicking on its icon. Step 6. Choose the I agree option on the license agreement of the Epson firmware updater. Step 7. Tap Next, hit Start, and then click on the OK button. It will start the update process. Step 8. Once the update finishes, the Mac system will automatically start to reboot. Step 9. Click on the Finish button and close all the open windows on the Mac computer. Method 3. Enable sharing option to fix the problem. Step 1. From the Apple icon of the Mac, open the System Preferences window. Step 2. Click on the sharing option on the new screen that appears on the screen. Step 3. On the sharing window, select Printer Sharing from the left side panel. Step 4. Under Printers, locate and select your printer to apply the sharing feature. Step 5. Tap on Add button under the Users list and then add the users to share. Method 4. Reset the printer printing system on Mac. Step 1. Hit the Apple menu, choose System Preferences, and then open Print and Fax. Step 2. Right-click on the blank space within the printers list and hit Reset. Step 3. Click Reset on the confirmation window, and the reset process will start. Step 4. After the process is complete, all the devices are removed from printers list. Step 5. Now, reboot the Mac system and ensure the changes have been applied. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-877-469-0297.